sarap ng rice.
Yan yung mga visitors ko. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tommy. Bili tayo mamaya ng cake. Bili tayo. Para kompleto yung birthday. Bili tayo ng cake.
Thank you, sis. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Nagtutulak ka ng birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Shit, ang sarap. Ang lamig.
Nakulay green na rin ang sago.
Tama na yan. Kasi puno-puno yung thank you.